formalized our collaborations with Lake Region Economic Bloc with the intent and purposes of strengthening market-based sanitation and menstrual hygiene management in 8 counties within the region. These 8 counties, of course, the signing is happening in Kisumu, but in addition to Kisumu, we have 7 more, including Goma, Kakamega, Busia, Siaya, Kisii, Homa Bay, and Migori. So the choice of these 8 counties was intentional. As the name of our partner suggests, the Lake Region Economic Bloc, the choice of these 8 counties, therefore, was informed by a number of factors. One, counties with a near similar geographical but also socio-cultural features, and 2, counties where the impact of sanitation and menstrual hygiene management interventions, or lack of any interventions, may permeate into the other. As we all know, sometimes, even in a rural, for instance, setting, if your neighbor doesn't have a toilet, sometimes you also feel the impact, either because you've dug some well, and so the seepage from that open defecation can affect your water point. Or in one way or the other, lack of sanitation facilities within your neighborhood sometimes will affect you, even if you have proper sanitation facilities. And so the choice was intentional to ensure that our interventions, for example, in a county like Siaya, is not impeded by lack of interventions in Busia, etc. And so this formalization of collaboration with LREB therefore marks the beginning of a coordinated effort in each of these counties to address market-based sanitation and support each of these counties to climb the sanitation ladder through increased access to improved sanitation facilities. Of course, I mentioned menstrual hygiene. We are also going to work with the counties, the private sector, and all the stakeholders involved in each of these counties, that we to ensure that we build a stronger value chain system for menstrual hygiene management products. And of course, as you may appreciate, sanitation and menstrual hygiene comes with a number of socio-cultural issues. And so part of this collaboration will also see to it that we mount a very targeted social behavior change communication campaign that will help demystify some of the little known issues around sanitation and menstrual hygiene. And so that trumps collaboration. Thank you.
We have just signed a memorandum of collaboration between the WKSP together with the LREB, Lake Region Economic Bloc, on a sanitation and public health program within the 8 counties, a program that is going to impact on households and families, and even our cities. As you all know, that public health is a very serious component of our livelihood in terms of health. Just recently, if you remember, we are hit so hard with COVID-19, which ended up being really a public health menace. So really, these are programs that will improve and enhance healthcare matters that are public related and public and sanitation. And so we thank our partners here for this program, which will run for the next 5 years. And our role as LREB is to support and facilitate the participation of the mentioned counties. There are 8 in number. I will leave that to the Chief of Party to give you the exact counties that we are working with. And these are project that, like I've said, will run for 5 years with success stories, we believe, and thereafter, as LREB, our duty is to ensure and enhance this project to the rest of the 14 counties. Thank you very much.